Hi, and welcome to the Gerontology minor. My name is Allison Thorson. I'm a professor in communication studies, and I am here to help you navigate your way through this minor. If you first just want to learn some general information about this minor, what I encourage you to do is just go into Google and type in USFCA Gerontology minor. What this will do is it will bring you to the home page of our minor. On this page, there's lots of helpful information, everything from information about who are the faculty members that are part of this minor, but most importantly for you is probably the degree requirements and program learning outcomes for this minor. So to give you a layout of the land for the gerontology minor, what I want to do is bring you to the course list. You'll notice in this course list for the gerontology minor, as a requirement as a whole, this is a 20 credit unit minor. Of those 20 credit units, if you transfer in some classes, that's great, but a minimum of 10 credit units must be taken at USF for this minor. Also, no more than 3 major courses can simultaneously count towards a major and minor. Of the 3 main areas for our minor, there is 1 required science course that you need to take that's going to be related to aging, 2 required breath courses that you get to choose 2 of the 4 offered courses in order to count towards the minor. Then you'll also choose 2 elective courses for the minor. So the smart way that I like to go and advise students to think about this minor is to think about those courses that double dip or that double count towards both your major and your minor, keeping in mind that no more than 3 major courses can simultaneously count towards your major and your minor. What I mean by that is, let's say you're a nursing student and you know that the nursing classes start with the letters NURS. So you want to look through this entire course list and you want to figure out, well, what courses will double count, meaning what courses are already identified as NUR courses that will count. So to make this easy, I just want to highlight those. You'll notice there's no courses that are in the required science area or the breath area that start with NURS. However, there are 2 courses that are minor elective courses that already count. And so as a nursing student, you know that these elective courses are already taken care of. Then you want to look across all the other areas to figure out if there's ways that you can further double dip. Now, we know that there's no other NURS courses available, so you're not going to surpass your 3 courses. They're going to double dip or count towards both your major and your minor. However, there might be courses that are also part of your major that might be from another field. So for instance, as a nursing student, you know you're going to take biology 115 and 116. So that can also double count towards both your major and your minor. What this leaves you with then is to look at these breath courses. Now you only need to take 2 of these 4 courses. And the great thing is this gives you lots of choice and flexibility in filling out your minor. Also, I want you to notice that some of these courses are listed as also fulfilling maybe your core D2 area or service learning. So as a nursing student, I might choose to take death and dying, which also counts towards my D2 area, and I might take the adulthood and aging class. All in all, these 5 courses would make up the 20 credit units needed to complete your gerontology minor. This would be the same process you want to use for every major that might be part of the gerontology minor. You just want to look across and do this in a smart way and see where there's courses that might be able to double dip for you. And that way it can really help you guide your way through planning courses each semester. The last and final thing that I just want to point out is in the required breath courses, you'll note right here that it says students can take any 2 courses listed below as a breath requirement, but if more than 2 of those courses are taken as a breath requirement, the 3rd and 4th will count as a minor elective. To kind of lay this out, what you'll notice is that communication and aging is listed both as a required breath course, but it's also listed below as an elective course. So what that means is if you were to take all 4 of these classes, 2 of these courses would count for a required breath course, but the final 2 courses would count as your elective courses for the minor. Hopefully this laid out and gave you a better idea of how you can go about completing your gerontology minor. Obviously, if you have any questions, please reach out to any of the faculty member that are part of the gerontology minor, or you can reach me directly. My name is Allison Thorson. I'm in communication studies, and I'd be more than happy to help. Have a great semester, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.